Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you all my entire journey from India to Germany. In this video, you will get to see the step-by-step process you need to follow for an international trip. The first and the most important thing that you need is proper documents, because that is what matters at the end of the day. The whole process is very easy and simple. So after you have all your documents, you can submit your luggage which you want to check in. Here they will check your document and collect your luggage, and then you have to head towards the security check-in. So I could not record it because recording was not allowed there. Traveling alone is really not that difficult. All you need is proper documents, and if you have that, you don't have to actually worry about anything. My flight was from Kolkata to Delhi and from Delhi to Frankfurt. So here I did not have to do any immigration, but I will be doing it in Delhi airport. So here the boarding started. Now let's go inside. So from Kolkata to Delhi, it was very simple, like a domestic flight experience. I did not have to do anything much, but I will have to do the immigration and the rest of the process in Delhi airport.
सेल्सियस है। सीट बेल्ट के बंद किए जाने पर कृपया सीट बेल्ट। हमें विश्वास है कि भविष्य में भी आप हमारे साथ यात्रा करेंगे। नमस्कार, जय हिंद।
So inside the flight we were provided our first meal, which was breakfast, and they gave us omelette, chili, potato and some croissant. The food was really tasty.
International Airport, Delhi.
So once reaching Delhi, now the main hustle starts. The Delhi airport is very big, so you should be prepared for long walk, or you can use this. So yes, now we are heading towards the international transfer. So walk straight towards the international transfer. You will find someone or the other from whom you can get details about your flight. He or she will guide you where you have to go next. So here my next step was to go towards the way out. Like it was a domestic flight, right? You will see that I will take the right turn from the way out. Yes, as you can see, I'm taking the right turn, and then straight there is an transfer gate. You will get to see that shortly. So here, as you can see, written departure with an arrow. So I have to go there, and there the guards are standing. They will check all the documents they need, and from there you will straightly walk inside the departure. These are very simple steps which you can just follow easily, or if you find it a bit difficult, you can ask anyone. They are always there, like the police, the staffs, they are always there to help you out. Now we have to find the international departure. Inside the international departure, the immigration will be done, and then the security checks will be done. So yes, so in the immigration they will ask you for your documents which they need to check, and after that for security the same thing you need to follow again. So here all you need to do is stand in the queue and follow the line, and once you reach the cabin there, they will ask you some questions like what is the purpose for which you are going outside, and then they will ask for the documents. So you just need to show them the documents and the purpose for what you are going. You have to tell them, that's it. So here my security check and everything is done. Now I am heading inside the Delhi duty free. If you want or if you have time, you can do some duty free shopping from here. So guys, finally my everything is done, like my security check-in and the immigration, everything is done. And here now I'm waiting, like there was a change in the gate number. It was 26 before, but right now I saw it is 21. So I'm sitting right in front of the gate, and once the boarding time, like boarding starts, I'll go and stand in the queue. So now I'll just roam around a bit and like spend my time here. So yes, I hope you all are liking it, and if you find this video interesting, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and guys, please do subscribe to my channel. After a long wait, the boarding started, and yes, let's go and enjoy our flight. Thank you. So guys, traveling alone is very easy and very interesting for me. I had a very wonderful experience. Everything went pretty smooth and without any hustle. And trust me, while I travel alone, I am much more attentive, because when I travel with someone else, I'm really carefree because I'm with someone. If anything goes wrong, we can manage. So now our journey started, and it also started raining. Look how beautiful it is looking, guys. And here again we were served with some delicious food. So for lunch they gave us rice, some curry, and then yogurt, and for snacks they gave us a muffin and a sandwich and some fruits. So it was wonderful. The flight journeys are pretty interesting because you make friends, and this time I met some interesting people on my journey to Frankfurt. And here they are, meet my friend from India. So they were traveling to Frankfurt for some work reason, and I had a wonderful time with them. We actually spoke about a lot of things. So yes, overall my experience was awesome. So here we are finally in Frankfurt and share with you all what I had to do next. So here everyone was standing in the queue for the immigration, and what all documents you need is written over here. You can just check it out and arrange your documents before reaching the counter, and after that you have to go straight towards the baggage counter from where you need to collect your baggage. So now that I got my luggage, so more or less everything is done. It's time to just head out. Guys, I have reached Germany. So my solo travel from India to Germany was great. It was very smooth without any hustle. As I have told you guys earlier, all you need is proper documents and you need to follow some steps which I have shown you. I hope you'll find this video helpful, and if you did so, then don't forget to like it and do subscribe to my channel. And I have a long journey ahead because I have to go to Berlin from Frankfurt. So yes, so that's it for today's video. I hope you all liked it. Thank you for watching.